ass nigga.
Just turned 53, bro. That's
What's up, guys? Good morning. It is tune day for the Civic.
slow ass.
Oh shit, I'm not even pointing at you. Goddamn. Shit about to be even slower. It's gonna get gapped by the focus.
Let's relax.
Anyway, guys, so we just did a couple mods to the Type R. We did the flex fuel kit, the in-tank fuel pump, and then you drilled out the fuel.
Yeah, the fuel line, and we did the upgraded line for the fuel flex fuel kit. The braided line.
So with the flex fuel kit, we're gonna need a new tune. We're finally running some E in this bitch.
And I'm getting the intake manifold, the ported manifold.
And the guy we're coming to is going to do the ported manifold, just in case you guys didn't hear him. But that's going to be the objective for today. We're about to pull up to his house, and then we're going to go for some street pools, I guess. Excited, my man?
It's too early, but yes.
It's not early. We've been up since 6:30 we got up. But we're going to get with that soon. Do some pulls. Break some laws. I mean, never mind. Alright, guys, I'm gonna holler at you once we get there. And then we're gonna see what's going on. Alright.
We're undercover operatives.
Time to steal some shit. I got an RV6 box. Alright, guys, so we made it to the house. Getting the car cooled down right now. But I'm gonna show you guys what we're putting in. So this is Tyler's new manifold. I'm breaking shit, but these are the new ones. See, they're ported, and there's the old ones. And then new one, old one. So that's supposed to gonna give them a lot more power, right? I don't know. I drive a Ford Focus. Anyway, right now we're just getting the car cooled down. They're gonna install a part
In this nice air-conditioned garage, because you know your tuner could never.
My tuner lives in Colorado, so
Damn.
fuck you.
Damn.
He doesn't need AC.
You don't need no AC.
There we go. They're really cool.
Look at
It's
that.
Florida.
Fucking 85 degrees in the morning.
Ah. Anyway, guys, that's what we're gonna be doing. They're gonna install that. We're actually just sitting on the side for now.
Yeah, they left. They went to the store, and they're gonna get the manual to figure out how they're doing this, because you know, I don't even know what I'm doing.
I heard they were buying a nitrous kit. Oh, there we go.
Oh no!
There we go.
No!
Hey guys, I'll probably catch up to you when we're about to do the street tune. I don't really want to court in front of these guys. I don't want to get in their way. So we'll see how it goes, but that's what we got up for right now. In the meantime, I'll catch you guys in a little bit.
Oh God! We're gonna check it. We're gonna change that. Don't worry. I just keep tapping the pedal. Oh my God!
I think it sounds good.
Of course you do.
Sounds like the Focus.
Yeah, Focus our ass on her. Of course it's gonna be good.
Straight.
Yeah, straight. Careful, yeah.
There.
Oh, yes.
A little more high. 445.
Sound like you right now, bro.
I love it. I love it.
Okay, then we're gonna go connect to
drive?
Yeah.
Now I got something to do when somebody tells me to rev it.
We're all three fat.
So wait till I'm by myself in this car.
He's fat.
Yeah, I'm the small one.
You're gonna offer. Let me see something.
What's going on here, buddy?
I'm gonna be like you for the first time.
Is that EIC? Oh, do it. 3 gallons.
You said 8, right?
8 gallons. Alright guys, so we're gonna do it. We're tuning for E right now. Or we're going to start.
Is there ever a gain in like full E85 in these cars?
After E50?
That's what I thought.
No.
Okay.
Tuning for E30 right now. And then we already did the 93 tune, and the pops and bangs are. Yeah, get it. Oh, perfect. 3 gallons.
Nah, baby.
Yeah, now you gotta live my life where you gotta switch every 3 gallons, and it's kind of annoying. He's typing in his numbers. Send the boost all the way, bro.
Yeah.
just got done tuning. How are you feeling?
She pulls, son.
Pulling. All right, guys. So we just got done. Pops and bang tune, of course, and then we have the flex fuel tune. Everybody known, AP, Anonymous Performance. Go hit them up if you got an Fk8 in Florida, or they also do remote tuning. So if you're in the market for one, just go ahead. All right, guys, I'm gonna get back with you. Probably do some pulls later, but that's it for now. Let me see if I can find it.
That she's a fucking cow right now. She's not fast enough. Second gear is always the same way as yours.
Lower boost. Obnoxious setting, don't worry, it's not that bad, and I can have it off in R+ mode, so it's not that bad, guys. Don't worry, we're not BMW owners here. We're still sensible people, okay?
Yeah, so on comfort mode, actually, it's the pop tune mode, and then on his sport mode is like a more conservative pop tune, so it's not as annoying. And then his R+ mode, which is the mode he uses during autocross. There it goes again. There we go. So in his R+ mode, which he uses for he uses for like autocross and stuff, it's not poppy at all. It doesn't pop at all unless you're like really top RPM, right? Yeah, like it popped
like,
once.
It's like a natural pop, like they do when you redline them, but it's not like this. Yeah, this shit is funny as fuck.
Yeah, as you can tell, I think he's pretty happy. Yo, pull it to the back. I'm gonna do some revs. We'll show you guys on the outside now. There you go.
Here?
Yeah, that should be fine. Oh, yeah.
Probably taking up 2 spots. Don't care.
So I'll show you guys right now, matter of fact. Just
Oh, it does.
Ugh. Go ahead. sit outside?
What is going on? He doesn't want to tell me. What is this? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get locked up for this.
Do you hear how?
Yes.
That's just in your chest.
Yeah. It's one of those now.
It sounds almost like gunshots.
My neighbors are gonna hate me when I come down the street now. Oh, pop, pop, pop.
I don't know if you guys can hear it in the radio, but it's echoing off of everything,
Yeah,
and it's
I had to like stop because, or I had to like go back because I was about to tell you to stop. It's like this shit's a little crazy, bro.
it's pretty loud. And what is setup? Exhaust setup?
It's the Invidia R400. It's a catted downpipe. It's not even catless.
Imagine if it was catless. Jeez. All right, guys. You think I end it?
That's how we do the obnoxious shit.
Yeah, he's trying to match my energy with the RS, I guess.
Get away from me.
Get away. All right, guys.
I gotta take a piss and I wanted to drink.
All right. This will probably be the end of the video. That's about it. So, next video will probably either be working on the Prelude or would be Autocross. So, for next time, till we see each other again, you have a great day. Be happy. Smile. Love your loved ones. And have a good one, guys.